We marked those too.
I picked it up and I actually tripped it and I just left it there. Yep, hold it up when he does it.
Well, are you gonna change it?
Yeah, I was gonna pop it and change it. Not so much that they really wanted it, he just wanted it, it's that movement.
Yeah.
I guarantee you, I'll put it back out there and it'll sit there like a jug of piss. They won't touch it. Come to your right, Sean.
You're up next, right?
Yep. How deep are we? 369. All right, we're good.
Green chip.
You want to move over here?
The back of the boat.
Right to the back?
That'll even work. There you go.
Where are we on our marks, son?
Right on it.
Right on it.
A little bit to the right.
66?
Is he running with it or is he easy?
Oh, he's there. He's there.
He's there for sure.
I'm thinking.
Oh, jumped.
He jumped?
Yeah, jumped right
Nice.
straight back. Way out there. You got a long way to go, buddy.
It's all right, bro. I'm ready.
He's way out there.
Yeah, because Steve, that's your turn on that one.
Yeah,
Come to your right a little bit, Sean.
yeah.
When we're fishing for browns, we run all spoons and all the spoons hanging. We'll put one on the copper just like this. We'll put a smaller leader on it. And I was doing this, you know, because the lake was flat. Because when it's wavy, a little bit like this, that's our hottest rod.
Right.
Because that thing is jigging that.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
crazy, right? So I do this a couple times. The guy goes, "What are you doing?" I said, "Jigging them a little."
Right.
He goes, "Really? Does it work?" I go, "You damn right it works." He goes, "Oh, okay." He goes back. I swear to God, he goes like this once. Goes like that, and then he goes, "Ah, ah, ah." He's ripping. Hilarious.
You got a few minutes.
Yeah, we just decided that I'm not going that way anymore.
We gotta go get him or what?
I don't think so.
Slow you down. That's our model. Slow. I'll pull you a little bit to the left, Sean. Pay attention. Come back. Come back.
There you bite. There you go, baby.
Can I go to the right?
I know. It's a fan I can do. Some of those boots, Sean. You look like you have breast pump tester or what? Are you breast pump tester number 12?
I work out a lot, you know?
Oh yeah? Have you been working out a lot?
Not a lot. I've only been working out for like 2 weeks. And I got lazy this week. I'm on my foot.
Box bowl! Dave, we're slamming. We're on number 5 now. We've only been out about an hour and a half.
Really?
Dave, we are straight out from the river. Good Times is just inside us right now. Dave, we had one, I put the copper out down the middle, Dave. Fucking ripped it right off the bat. 2 minutes out, and it broke. The line got fucked up in the spool. The level line was way on the right side. and the line was jammed in between the spool and line on the left side. And
Get some, baby.
My copper.
That's a you can feel it.
Yeah.
He's fighting the hell out of it.
Like 180 and 195. But if you go too slow, you're gonna probably drag bottom a little bit. And Dave, get this. I pulled the dipsy out. I moved it a little bit. And I popped the dipsy.
Smarter, not harder.
Held it there. Wham! The fish hit it.
Smarter, not
That's what we're
harder.
fighting right now.
That's the way it is, bro.
Okay, we're 71 right now. We got marks like almost constant. They're not really big bunches of them, but they're there. Okay, we're 2 for 2 on the riggers. The only one we lost, Dave, is on the copper. We broke the copper off. The 300 copper, but I got the other copper out. And we're still fishing. All right, buddy. Yeah, that white kit fired twice, Dave. Once on the dippy, once on the rigger, and then the waffle back one with the green dot, the white, that fired off the rigger. That was the first one to go. One of them's right on the bottom, Dave. Oh my God, there's like 10 fish on us right now, Dave. Dave, I think you're right behind me. Wave your arm. Are you standing up? I swear it looks like you. Turn your boat quick to the right. No, never mind. Okay. Alright. Yeah, he's just turning. Is he broadside to you now? Alright, yeah, because he's almost pointing at me. I swear I was right in front of you. Alright. Yeah, we got lots of marks down there, Davey. Okay, bye. Come on, we gotta dig it.
How you feeling?
Nice, man.
Sweating yet?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Like a pig.
The line counter thing. Oh, you reset it. I think you reset it.
Oh, did I?
Maybe, I don't know. He might be still be. He didn't take a lot of line.
No, he didn't.
He might be right there.
Not allowed to come in right now, I can tell you that.
Yeah, now there you go. Yep. Oh! Got some ass on it.
Yeah.
Got the life jacket, just fish go in.
And you can feel the pull right here, start to stand, you know.
Is that sweat I just saw drip off your nose?
Yeah.
Fish still looking. Where are the little bitches? Oh, I think I got two of that one.
Good. Hey! Broke surface.
Right there?
Yeah.
Nice. I mean, he's not too far.
Oh, yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Look at that thing.
try to keep him off this corner right here.
Okay.
Okay? You're doing good. Just bring him right to that corner.
You want him in this corner?
Yep.
Okay.
I want you to stand right over there.
Okay.
I want the land of fish here. I don't want the fish above the boom right here.
Okay. Yep.
Sean, go to the right a little bit. Don't turn. Sean, look. When you turn into them, what it does is it makes these lines go this way. Okay? So turning into them is like kind of a bad thing. Come to your right a little bit.
You,
Go, baby,
Steve-O.
go.
Bang it.
Go, Steve-O. Go, Steve-O.
Lock him up, baby. Lock him up. You got him. You got him.
He's running big time.
Push that right in the back.
Damn, Steve-O, this thing's tooling, bro.
I think he's over here. Go back on the other side. Never mind. Stay right there. It's like musical fucking chairs here.
Big picture.
Sean, come here right a little bit.
Yeah.
How do I do
Come back to
it?
your left. Come back to your left. I think you're going to be on the right here.
Top right of the phone, you have to unlock it.
I was all over that bit. Like, easy. Don't. It's not like this. Everything's nice and. Yep. See, you didn't gain mine. You didn't hear the clicking? You just spun your wheel. It's all right. You're not going to gain mine every time. There you go. Now you're up. Now we're. See, guys, I'm moving them down mirrors up and down. Took a few seconds, but he went.
Steve-O.
Baby, we're locked. Okay, reel down to him. Reel right down that distance. There you go. Okay. Back up a little bit more. Reel down that distance again.
12 minutes.
Wait, now
Graham.
back right up.
Really?
Yeah,
Get right up.
got it in 12
I
minutes.
gotta have his nose up out of the water.
Okay.
Just like that. Yep.
Oh, yeah. Good one, bro.
All right.
Look at that baby.